Hey, now we're going to work for Larry. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, complete herd dispersal. First trip to town for any of these cows. Here they are. Boys, you got something here when you're done. Larry, when's the last time you bought a cow? Can you remember? Yeah, before his time on his farm up there. I tell you what, I mean, that's pretty neat. I mean, we're talking 50 or 60 years, at least 50 or 60 years up there on his farm up there. His dad used to run the farm, then Larry took it over when he passed, and here it is, guys. It's the end of an era right here, I can promise you. That's right. That's right. I tell you what, and what you're looking at, boys, it isn't fed into them, it's bred into them. They'll raise you a big old stout set of calves, and they'll everyone lay down and have it too, won't they, Larry? They sure will, boys. There's a good outfit. Powerful set of heifers right here. All right, boys, under the bone, take a look here, guys. Good Spring-Calving Heifers right here. Boys, under the bone, 1,800 wire. You've had, boys, under the bone, 1,200. Under the bone, 13. Under the bone, 12, 13. I 12, under the bone, 13. The bone, boys, under the bone, 12, 1,300 on the bell, 13. You do it. Then 14, under the bone, 13, under the bone, 1,400. I 13, under the bone, 13 half. Under the bone, 13 half. Well, 13, under the bone, half. Under the bone, 13 half. Under the bone, 13 half. Under the bone, 14. And down 14, under the bone, 14. The bone, under the bone 14, under the bone 14, from 13, 70 bones there, 14, under the bone 1,400, high 13, 70 bones under the bone 14, boys, Bob, you can't find them like this. Hadn't bought a cow for 60 plus years, guys, and this is it. 13 and a half, 1,400. And I guarantee you when he brings his calves, they're always top of the market. 13 and a half, 1,400. 13 and a half, 14, under the bone 14, under the bone 1,400. Well, 13 and a half, under the bone 14, the bone, boy, under the bone 14, y'all done. 13 and a half, under the bone 14, the bone, under the bone down 14 and a half. I 14, under the bone half, under the bone, give it quarter, under the bone quarter, under the bone quarter. Well, 14, under the bone quarter, and a 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 quarter, y'all done. 1,400 there, 14 and a quarter, rush her out, under the bone quarter. I'm 14, then 85, 14, 85, boy, under the bone 14, 10, 25, 35. And down 15 to the bone, 14, 15 to the bone, 35, 50, 14, 30, bone there, 51 to the bone, 30, bone there, 51 to the bone, 35, 50, 14, 30, bone there, 14, 50, y'all done. So to you, 14, 35 on 823, 823, thank you.